Good morning, everybody. Today I wanted to talk to you about a quiet revolution that's happening right now on the stock market. On October 11th of this year, which was barely 2 months ago, companies such as E-Trade, TD Ameritrade, Schwab, Fidelity Investments, and recently Interactive Brokers and Merrill Edge announced that they will be charging 0 commissions for your trades, both stock trades and option trades. This was a huge deal, especially for small investors. And the reason is that before, if you wanted to invest $100 in the stock market, or you want to invest in $100 increments, what happens is that the commission was $5, $8, $10 per transaction. So let's say you bought something for $100 and you spend $8 in commissions to buy it. What happens is that if you wanted to sell it, it would cost you another $8 to do the next transaction. Basically, it will cost you $16 round trip to invest $100 and try to make some money off this investment. What is $16 of $100? That's 16%, which means that you could invest $100 and make 16% profit on your trade and still make nothing after selling it, because the $16 or the 16% would be given to the broker to, cover the cost of a transaction. They called it commissions. The funny thing is that commissions was an artificial charge that was made up by brokers to enhance their business. In reality, when a broker puts a trade on the stock market, stock exchange that actually executes these trades doesn't really charge the broker any fees. It charges like 10 or 15 cents, but nowhere near $5, $8, or $10 that they've been charging customers. Which means that now, since these charges are no longer present, you could invest $100, $200, and literally wait for about an hour or maybe a few minutes, and you would be able to catch 1, 2, maybe 3% shake in the stock price during the day and exit the position and pocket, let's say, 1 or 2%. What is 1% of $100? Is $1, and you have to pay 15 cents to buy, 15 cents to sell. So basically 30 cents out of this dollar would be spent on commissions, but you still make 70 cents, which is 0.7% of $100. If you invest $200, $300, then you could make, $2, $3, $4, $5, paying the broker still 30 cents and pocket the difference. Which means that now you could be a lot more active on the stock market and actually could afford to make some mistakes, because your mistakes, the cost of your mistakes, would be just the commission that you paid to the broker, which is 30 cents for a round trip. So now investors should be a lot more active on the stock market, because they could invest smaller amount of money at pretty much 0 commissions. And let me be Frank, it's a lot easier to catch 1, 2, 3% raise in the stock price during the day, or maybe during a couple of days, and get out from the trade with a profit, since you no longer have to pay $16, to do the transaction. So I would recommend you to be a lot more active on the stock market. And if you would like to find the best stocks to buy, download my app that is available via the website called 2stx.com. It will take you to the App Store, and on this App Store you would be able to download, install, and use my app to find the best stocks to buy on the stock market and make quite a bit of profit, especially that now you don't have to pay high commissions to brokers. Thank you for your time and good luck trading.